Welcome back. Tech Mahindra has acquired Hutchison's BPO arm for $87 million. Management addressing a press conference. Let's cut in live.
Over to you, sir. You can do something. First, let me say that this onerous duty is not only on me. Susan is going to share it with us. So she will also. She has agreed to make a few remarks from Hutchinson's side about how they view the deal. Well, folks, as you already know, and I read it also in the newspaper in the morning, which came as a news to me, that Tech Mahindra has, as of now, acquired 100% stake in Hutchinson Global Services Limited for $87 million. The acquisition contributes to the fulfillment of our strategic intent to enhance our relationship with Hutchinson. As you might be aware, we started our journey with Hutchinson in Indonesia, where we are providing managed services. In fact, we built the stack and then have been providing managed services for the last 5 years. We then later expanded to Australia, where Vodafone and Hutchinson have a mobile franchise, and where we are providing managed services. What you perhaps don't know yet, and what hasn't come out in the public, is that a few days earlier we have signed a similar contract with Hutchinson in London, in UK, and we will be providing managed services for their UK franchise, which, as Susan very eloquently said, is like Jewel in the Crown. That is their great franchise, and it is our good fortune that we have been selected to provide managed services along with Huawei, which will look after the network for what is called, their franchise is called 3 in UK for that franchise. Now coming to the current acquisition, Hutchinson Global Services provides customer life cycle operations to clients in UK, Ireland and Australia, and has an associate base of 11,500 employees. HGS operates out of Mumbai and Pune and is amongst the largest captives in the telecom domain. The acquisition will provide considerable enhancement to Tech Mahindra's technique in customer management, in the customer management space, and thus will be a strategic plans forward. In addition, the acquisition enables Tech Mahindra to leverage the acquired capabilities and scale for expanding scope of their existing services to other parts of Hutchinson Group and also to other customers and verticals in CRM, BI and IT services. So as we see it, this completes in many ways the circle. We create telecom stacks, we manage them for our clients, and this brings to us information and data regarding CRM, BI, and when we put it all together, Tech Mahindra secures a composite business capability, technical capability for telcos. Hutchinson is one group we are privileged to work for, and in fact, when it came to managed services, it was our first foray in Indonesia when we started this, so it's an old relationship. But as you know, TechM is fairly important and visible part of as a technology provider in BT, in AT&T, and in Vodafone, now in Verizon. So we are providing all these services. So suddenly we find that we will have capabilities which will be able to meet similar needs for these telcos elsewhere, and we would be very well positioned and to do that given what we have acquired today. We are committed to this opportunity and are excited about the possibilities this acquisition opens, and takes this opportunity to welcome all the Hutchinson associates of global services to the Mahindra Group, and they can now experience what we call the power of one. Susan, if you're comfortable there.
Oh yes, I'm very comfortable there. Thank you very much. Is this working? Right. So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Susan Buttsworth, and I'm the CEO of 3 Solutions. And in 3 Solutions, in my capacity in that role, what we do is we provide support to our 3G operations. So today, what I'm here to do is to, along with Vineet, announce that Hutchison 3 Global Service Holdings Limited has sold its shares in Hutchison Global Services. And Hutchison Global Services today provides, and will continue to provide in the future, the contact centre services to our operations in the UK and Ireland, and our joint operations in Australia. We believe that the centre will be able to continue to provide these services with the same level of excellent customer service that it has done in the past, and we are definitely looking forward to our opportunity to expand our relationship with Tech Mahindra. On behalf of the company, Hutchison Global Services Holdings Limited, I would like to thank all the employees.
To just say that I think
we think that the opportunity here with
by Tech Mahindra on that $87.5 million acquisition of Aegis, which has of course been acquired from the Hutchinson Group. Also, Tech Mahindra revealing there that they signed a similar contract, which is not in the public domain, in London, and that's to run Hutchinson's franchise in London for similar management of services over there. So that's the latest as far as that Tech Mahindra press conference is concerned. We'll cut back live if some more important things emerge from there. Meanwhile, let's get on to the latest in the Colgate. It seems the CBI is getting cracking.